One, two, three.
Hey
Hey
guys!
guys! Welcome back to our channel और आज है बहुत ही स्पेशल एपिसोड।
यस तो हमने इंस्टाग्राम पे आप लोगों से कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछने के लिए कहा था एंड आपके बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आए एंड वी वर रियली ओवरवेल्म्ड कि आपका कितना अच्छा रिस्पांस आया है।
बड़ा सही लगा when you guys were asking all types of questions to us and we are today ready to answer all your questions one by one.
ओके सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। तो बहुत लोगों ने हमसे ये सवाल पूछा रिगार्डिंग आवर इमिग्रेशन जर्नी, Canadian immigration and your experiences. How was your journey to Canada that we started and what are you guys by profession?
So we immigrated to Canada in 2018.
Yeah.
And we took a plunge leap of faith. तो हम दोनों ने जॉब छोड़ के we moved over here without any job.
बहुत डांट पड़ी थी मम्मी पापा से,
घर पे बहुत ज़्यादा टेंशन हो गई थी।
लेकिन it all worked out and our parents are super proud of us today.
So जब हम लोग यहाँ पे आ गए तो we started giving job interviews. I got my job in the first week itself.
God has been great और हमने जो जो सोचा था हम लोग एक एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप करके we have been able to achieve all of that. With the grace of God हम लोग एक अच्छी पोजीशन पे हैं. We could plan to start our family also. So yes, 2018 to 2021, 3 years हो गए and that's how we started. तो ये तो हो गई बात हमारे कनाडा मूव होने के बारे में. One of the questions that we got was, is planning a baby in India then move to Canada good or first move to Canada and then plan? And ये subscriber is 30 years already.
Yeah.
So when we moved to Canada, I was also 30 and I feel you shouldn't give a number to your age and plan things accordingly. जो आप currently इस जिस situation में हो उसके according जो आपको इस टाइम सही लग रहा है उसी की तरफ ध्यान देना चाहिए. अगर हम उस टाइम सोचते कि अभी तो मैं 30 हूँ और मुझे पहले ये करना चाहिए फिर ये करना चाहिए तो I don't think we would have been here the way we are right now. Next question है how did you manage alone without family with a newborn?
ये तू ही क्वेश्चन आंसर कर दे।
ठीक है. सो इनिशियली हमारे को थोड़ा सा चैलेंजिंग लगा था. हम लोग काफ़ी डरे भी हुए थे बिकॉज आई हैव नेवर हैंडल्ड अ बेबी, ऑर्को हैज नेवर डन दैट. सो वी वर होपिंग टू हैव सपोर्ट फ्रॉम फैमिली व्हेन पोस्टो वाज बोर्न और इसी के लिए एज ऑर्को जस्ट मेंशन हमने उनकी टिकट्स भी कराई हुई थी एंड दे वर प्लानिंग टू कम हियर. बट विद द सडन टर्न ऑफ इवेंट्स पैंडेमिक हो गया एंड टिकट्स गॉट कैंसल्ड एंड वी हैड अ बिग टास्क अहेड ऑफ अस दैट वाज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द बेबी. But thankfully we have an amazing set of friends and a support system जिन्होंने हमें बहुत ही beautifully help out किया, guide किया, support किया in this tough time.
Navjot and Simran, they're very close to us. They supported us like all through those initial phases, like right from coming over to making sure that to support us if there is anything that we needed in those times. They made sure that they were there. We have another set of friends, Onkita Di and Debjit. So and Robin and Anisha, to you guys as well. They were the most amazing people to always send us over food. Home cooked food and we loved that. So a big shout out to all of them. So one thing that I want to say over here is that yes, you don't have your family probably in Canada, but then your friends would be your new family.
So ये बात तो हो गई फ्रेंड्स की. Now we both live in Brampton, तो हमारे को उसका भी बहुत बड़ा एडवांटेज हुआ because we have a big Indian community over here.
Yeah, we don't know कि Brampton छोड़ के in other areas in the GTA whether I'm pretty sure ऐसे लोग होंगे, like there are services available, but Brampton is different in that sense and the kind of support that we got because we stayed in Brampton was absolutely amazing.
So अब next question है how do you manage and share Posto's responsibilities? और इसका आंसर और को देगा.
Well, Postal responsibility हम लोगों ने पहले से ही ठीक करके रखा हुआ था that weekends like Friday night से लेके Sunday night तक I would have to take 100% responsibility for Posto. At the end of the day, Dipashri spends all her time with Posto through the week. तो आई मेक श्योर दैट शी हैज दैट ब्रेक. तो ये हम लोग पहले से ही डिसाइड कर रखे थे कि लाइक वील डिवाइड दैट, बट अदरवाइज देर आर समटाइम्स फाइट्स बिटवीन अस स्पेशली व्हेन पोस्ट द पूप्स. तब तब we kind of fight amongst each other कि कौन वो poop साफ करेगा and everything.
और मैं हमेशा वो fight जीत जाती हूँ और कोई साफ करता है.
Yeah, but now I have figured out a way to wriggle out of it on weekdays at least कि मैं फटाफट बोल देता हूँ कि मेरी टीम मीटिंग चल रही है.
मेरी कॉल है, मुझे सब पता है.
But नहीं होता है.
I know, of course.
So yeah, it's a shared responsibility. So when you have a baby at home and when you're just away from your family and it's just two of you, so it has to be, the job has to be taken up by both the parents.
Yes, and it doesn't make anybody a less of a parent. जैसे मुझे बहुत overwhelming लगता भी है and I also need a break. It doesn't make me a bad mom, but वो break से जो मैं full energy वापस आती है मेरे अंदर, I think that gives me a kick to go on and go forward. And also ये भी है कि हमने पोस्तों का बहुत ही अच्छा एक night routine set किया है, जिससे कि हम लोग 9 o'clock तक उसका खाना, feeding, taking a bath, ये सब wrap up कर देते हैं.
All this video is actually happening because Posto is sleeping right now and it's after 9. It's like almost 10 in the night.
Yes.
The only reason why this could happen is because he's sleeping right now.
Yeah, so हम लोग ऐसा करते हैं कि उसका 9 o'clock तक wrap up करते हैं so that we also get some time with each other.
And it's not just about taking responsibility of the baby. It's also about sharing everything in the house, all the work in the house. So you have to make sure that you split it equally or you do it at your convenience.
तो अब बात करते हैं हेल्थ केयर फॉर अ बेबी के बारे में. ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन किसी ने मेरे से पूछा है. How do you manage discussions with the doctors if Posto is not keeping well, and how does the healthcare work in Canada? So right now we have a family doctor that we have registered with. क्योंकि पैंडेमिक चल रहा है, so he doesn't usually want us to be there in person, especially with the baby. तो हम उनके साथ on call discussion कर लेते हैं regarding any issues that we have. वैक्सीनेशंस के लिए ऑफ कोर्स वी नीड टू बी देयर इन पर्सन, और अगर पोस्तों का हाइट एंड वेट मेजरमेंट करना है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, फॉर दैट वी नीड टू बी देयर.
And anyway, if there is something more serious, then your family doctor would always refer you to a pediatrician. So what we are trying to say over here is that like the health system over here, like it tries and supports you as much as possible, even though it's like right now it's there's a pandemic going on and everything, but इनके बीच में भी the utmost importance is given to see if the baby is achieving all the milestones properly or not. And अगर वो like कुछ भी अगर problem हो, so you are referred to the pediatrician right there and there. So don't worry about that at all.
So next question is, how is Posto always happy? He's adorable, by the way. We agree.
ये this is more of a compliment than a question.
Yeah, मतलब of course Posto के भी off times होते हैं जब वो non-stop रोता है.
So I think a lot of it also has to do with how the surroundings. कि जैसे हम लोग घर में हमेशा गाना चला के रहते हैं. Like there is always an upbeat vibe in the house. Dipashri is always available for Posto. कोई भी attention उसको चाहिए. Posto is a big attention seeker, by the way. And Posto, if you're watching this video, I don't know if you still are that big an attention seeker or not. But right now you are. And Dipashri makes sure that she puts away all her work. Even me, like if I'm not at job, so I put away all my work and then we love spending time with him. So I think it's all about giving him the proper attention and हंसी मजाक चलती रहती है. One more thing that we do is we like make sure that we don't raise our voices with each other when Posto is around. अगर बहुत कुछ हुआ तो हम लोग Posto को सुला के फिर हम लोग
बाथरूम में जाकर लड़ाई करते हैं.
We have a healthy conversation.
Okay, next question is my favorite. How did you make Posto eat on his own? That I guess is the most difficult job in this world. I completely agree. और रोज जिस लेवल की सफाइयाँ मुझे करनी पड़ती है वो मुझे ही पता है. But it's very satisfying to see the baby is feeding on his own. Of course वो 100% अपने आप को feed नहीं कर सकता है. थोड़ा उसको I let him play for 10-15 minutes with the food, क्योंकि babies का attention span is usually 20 to 25 minutes. So starting के 10 minutes वो खाने के साथ खेलता है, उसका texture देखता है, उसको थोड़ा मुंह में डालता है, थोड़ा गिराता है. उसके बाद मैं उसको वो खाना थोड़ा सा स्पून फीड कर देती हूँ ताकि उसके अंदर न्यूट्रिशन भी जाए. So next question is, What bottles did you finally switch to after that issue with Avent bottles? Okay, so अभी थोड़े दिन पहले मैंने ये Insta stories पे post किया था that I had put some Philips Avent bottles in the sterilizer and वो heat से disfigure हो गई थी for some reason. So I reached out to the Philips Avent team and they were really kind and helpful and they told me not to use those bottles anymore and they were offering कि उसकी replacement हम आपको भेज देते हैं. But we decided to move to Dr. Brown's की feeding bottles completely. Glass bottles में crack होने का या break होने का थोड़ा risk रहता है. The way post तो इधर उधर bottles को फेंकता रहता है.
Not just bottles, right? कुछ भी उसके हाथ में आता है वो just keeps
Toss.
going out or like he keeps banging it on the floor.
Yeah.
So we can't begin to think कि क्या होगा
Glass
if we just have a glass bottle.
Okay, so we are finally at our last question and this is Orko's favorite. The question is, when is Posto meeting his grandparents in India?
Okay, so before we answer this question, now we sorely miss India and our parents, our family, everyone. And जब से हम लोग 2018 में हम लोग कनाडा में आए हुए हैं, तब से we haven't met anyone. Like yes, Dipashi's parents came over, like you know, in 2019 for a very brief time in summers, and then we had a good time. But then we want to really feel like you know go back to India and see everyone and all that. But अभी pandemic चल रहा है, तो obviously like you know we couldn't have gone last year, and we were expecting our parents to come over and like you know to support us during our like you know the entire process of the childbirth and all. But again pandemic हुआ, तो all the flights got cancelled. Now अभी this year we have to go to India, and we are going to India in March for almost a month. So we'll be traveling from Delhi to Calcutta and to where we used to stay before we moved to Canada, Hyderabad, because there is an important paperwork that we have to do in Hyderabad. So हम लोगों को जाना ही पड़ रहा है like this time. But then we are using that as an excuse to visit all the cities like from where we hail from, right? So we are super excited to go to India and to meet our families and anyone from our family. If you are watching this video, we will meet you very soon.
हम लोग तो एक्साइटेड हैं ही जाने के लिए इंडिया, बट इंडिया में औरकों के पेरेंट्स और मेरे पेरेंट्स और हमारी फैमिलीज दे आर सुपर एक्साइटेड टू मीट पोस्टर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, और उनकी तो कुछ अलग लेवल की प्रिपरेशंस चल रही हैं.
Hopefully we will be able to make videos for like as to when we are actually traveling to India.
ठीक है, तो ये सब थे आपके क्वेश्चंस जो हमने ट्राई किया आंसर करने के लिए. इट वाज अ लवली सेशन, वी लव्ड आंसरिंग ऑल योर क्वेश्चंस, और दोनों मिलके हम लोग क्वेश्चंस शॉर्टलिस्ट कर रहे थे कि कौन से क्वेश्चंस को हम वीडियो में इंक्लूड करेंगे. इफ यू स्टिल हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस फॉर अस, प्लीज आप इंस्टाग्राम पे हमारे को इनबॉक्स करो और लीव योर कमेंट्स इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो एंड वी लव टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस.
Yeah, till then,
बाय.
bye.